Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Let's make quick and easy flan just with 3 to 4 ingredients. So I'm beating 3 eggs, and the easiest method is get the eggnog. It's in season now, and just pour it 2 cups. Whisk it for about 2 minutes just to get the eggs and eggnog mixed correctly. And I'm adding 1/4 cup of sugar because eggnog also has sugar, right? So I'm just going to mix it well. Next, in a saucepan, I'm adding 1/2 cup of sugar, and then just let it melt on a low flame. Just stir it in between just to get this melt correctly, and until it turns golden brown. And in a couple of minutes you will see something like this. I'm adding 30 ml water to get the liquid consistency. Keep the flame low and keep stirring. This is the toughest part of the recipe, but keep stirring until it melts nicely, and pour it immediately in a baking tray. Spread it evenly, and it's now time to add our egg mixture. So stir it once again and then pour it on top of it. Now going to give a water bath and bake it. So I'm adding 2 cups of water in a baking tray. Let it warm up in the oven for 350 Fahrenheit, and then keep it covered with the foil wrap, and then do it for about 30 to 40 minutes. So once you see it's jiggly, you see that it's ready, just like this. You see that jiggle? Yep, that's ready. I kept it in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes, and then losing out some of the edges so that we can easily flip it on this dish. So keep the dish, and then look at this beautiful flan. Super easy, super tasty. I'm just going to decorate with strawberries. I have some chocolate ganache and some whipped cream. Just going to mix it and then do some decoration on it. It is not necessary, but I just wanted to get this done as well. So I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Enjoy with some sprinkles. And here is my quick and easy 3 to 4 ingredients flan recipe ready. Thanks for watching. Bye.